Want to connect with your audience in real time on RedNote? Going live is a perfect way to share moments, promote products, or build your brand. RedNote blends lifestyle content, community interaction, and e-commerce in one app. Here's how you can start a live stream in just a few easy steps. So, let's get started. First, open the RedNote app and make sure you're logged in. Tap the plus icon located at the center bottom of the screen. Select the live option from the menu. Allow camera and microphone access if prompted. Give your live stream a title and add a thumbnail photo if you like. Use the tools on the right side for filters, camera switch, and other settings. When ready, tap the Go Live button and you're live on RedNote. That's it. Super quick and easy. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.